Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make honeydew sorbet. Start by cutting and chilling about 4 cups diced honeydew, then blend until silky smooth with 1/2 cup simple syrup and 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Taste and adjust sweetness, then chill the puree until cold. Use an ice cream maker or freeze in a shallow pan, stirring every 30 minutes until scoopable and smooth for a bright, refreshing dessert. Measure about 4 cups of diced honeydew and prepare 1/2 cup simple syrup by dissolving sugar in hot water, then cooling it completely. Blend the chilled fruit with the cooled syrup and 2 tablespoons lemon juice for balance and freshness. Strain if you prefer an ultra-smooth sorbet, free of pulp. Chill the mixture thoroughly before freezing to improve final texture and scoopability, resulting in a cleaner finish on your spoon. If you have an ice cream maker, pour the chilled puree in and churn until thick and scoopable, which yields the smoothest sorbet. For manual freezing, pour into a shallow pan and stir vigorously every 30 minutes as it freezes to minimize ice crystals. Once firm, transfer to an airtight container and press a piece of plastic on the surface to avoid freezer burn, then freeze until ready to serve for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.